Here's why you should start shooting more video as a photographer. There is no doubt that in the last 12 months, we have seen a huge shift in the way content is received and the way content performs on all social media platforms. With a huge shift to short form video and the massive viral potential these videos have, there is no way as a photographer in 2022 you can ignore this, and you have to start asking yourself questions. We all know that Instagram came out just a few months ago and said it's no longer a photo sharing platform. And if you really think about it, except for Twitter, there are really no photo sharing platforms like 100% focused, and Twitter's not even 100% focused, but Instagram was where it was at for photographers, and that is no longer it. So what does this mean for photographers, and what should you do about it? Well, this means the strategies once used to build personal brands, or businesses no longer work and no longer apply in today's social media world. I would honestly come out and say, if you are building a social media platform, an audience, and want to grow online, photography alone will not get you there unless you're using Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, whatever the case, whatever platforms, YouTube, Snapchat, whatever the case. Video is key and photos will no longer do it. See, the thing is, this doesn't apply just to creators or photographers anymore. This applies to everyone across the board, and that includes businesses and brands. Now, a huge part of a photographer's income, 9 times out of 10, might be brand and B2B work. So if all of a sudden all your brands and businesses you once used to work for say, hey, our photos aren't performing like they used to anymore, we want to start creating video, and you can't fill that need, there is a risk, unfortunately, that you might start to lose clients if you can't offer them video services. And that's honestly because brands see a way higher return on their spend using short form video than they do photos anymore. Unfortunately, photography to these brands and to the businesses that are trying to grow on social media may have just decreased in value a lot. So what do? You love photography, you love your business, and you don't want to give it up. Well, I've got some tips. See, I also still love photography, and I still shoot for brands and take photos for brands, but I'm now offering more. I'm now offering more services because I realize photography is still super important and is still super valuable. It's just slowly declining, and you don't want to be on that declining slope. So it's time to start investing your time into video and start learning more about how to create videos, what works on Instagram, what works on TikTok, what works on YouTube, so you can start offering these skills to not only your personal brands, but the brands you already work for. See, if you position yourself in a place where you take photos and make great videos, you will be so much more valuable to these clients, and you can charge a whole lot more. See, the beautiful thing is you can take the photos you're taking either for yourself or for clients and turn them into short form videos. And that is perfect, because what the brand will get then is they'll get their short form content and their short form videos. That will keep them happy. But you'll also be able to take all the photos, be able to charge them for it, and they can also use all the photos. It's kind of like a 2-for-1. And if you can mix that up with actually shooting video as well, I promise you are going to be so highly rated to these brands, or have a very easy time building an online audience. And just from a creator to another creator, in all honesty, if you're taking photos and you're posting them online, you've definitely seen a reduction in reach, and it sucks because all of a sudden your photos aren't getting seen as much as they once were. But the beautiful thing about that is if you take your images and you stitch them into a nice little video and you post that, your reach has just gone through the roof. Not every video is going to go viral, but maybe 1 in 20, 1 in 30 might reach 100,000, 1 million people, 5 million people. I've had it for myself, and I can tell you right now, I wouldn't have never have reached those kind of numbers if I was just posting photos, so believe me, it's worthwhile. See, we can't always be happy with the changes that happen, and we can't fight them either. Once these platforms make their mind up, have done their market research, or whatever the case, that's it. There's no going back. You can either fight it or get left behind. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna fight it, or are you gonna join in and start taking advantage of the opportunities in front of you? Well guys, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed, let me know down below. If you're new around here, subscribe. And if you learned something, let me know. I'd love to know what you took from this video, because this has been on my mind for the last 6 months, and I've taken advantage of this for the last 6 months as well. And I can tell you right now, I've doubled my Instagram following from about 40,000. Actually, we're about to hit 90,000 followers on Instagram, which is crazy. Nonetheless, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.